Hello guys, today I will show you how to customize and upgrade the volume panel on your Android device. So let's get started guys. So firstly you will have to download and install the Volume Styles app. So open the Play Store app, just tap on its icon and here click the search button, then open the search tab obviously and enter Volume Styles. Then tap search, here click on the app icon and then click install button and wait for the installation. And when the app is installed, tap open. And in this tab, let's select the style that we need. So scroll down to search for the style that you need. For example, you can even select here iOS or One UI 4, or for example, I like Wave. So let's tap Start and then tap this toggle, tap OK. And here go to the Installed Apps tab, then find Volume Styles and click on this toggle. Then tap Allow, and after that it should work. So then let's put it to the test. Just tap volume up or down, and as you can see now we have a customized volume panel. And to select any other, just select any other volume panel that you would like, simply tap on it, and now it is changed. And make sure that this button looks like stop. This means that currently the volume panel design is enabled. And also check how your volume panel looks in both dark mode and light mode. So just simply swipe from the top corner of your device, and here you should find the moon icon that enables dark mode. Just simply tap on it, and now your dark mode is enabled. And I think it looks decent enough. So that's how you change your volume panel and customize it. And also there is a premium version that unlocks additional skins and unique visual effects that is obviously paid. So if this video was helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.